Transport layer. The transport layer is responsible for process-to-process delivery for the entire message. A process is an application program running on a host, whereas the network layer oversees source-to-destination delivery of individual packets. It doesn't recognize any relationship between those packets. It treats each one independently, as though each piece belonged to a separate message, whether or not it does. The transport layer, on the other hand, ensures that the whole message arrives intact and in order, overseeing both error control and flow control at the source to destination level. The figure shows the relationship of the transport layer to the network and session layers. The transport layer is responsible for the delivery of message from one process to another. Some responsibilities of the transport layers are: first one is service point addressing. Computers often run several programs at the same time. For this reason, source to destination delivery means delivery not only from one computer to the next, but also from a specific process on one computer to a specific process on the other. The transport layer header must therefore include a type of address called service point address. The network layer gets each packet to the correct computer. The transport layer gets the entire message to the correct process on that computer. Second is segmentation and reassembly. A message is divided into transmittable segments, with each segment containing a sequence number. This number enables the transport layer to reassemble the message correctly upon arriving at the destination and to identify and replace packets that were lost in transmission. Third is connection control. The transport layer can be either connectionless or connection-oriented. A connectionless transport layer treats each segment as an independent packet and delivers it to the transport layer at the destination machine. A connection-oriented transport layer makes a connection with the transport layer at the destination machine first before delivering the packets. After all the data are transferred, the connection is terminated. Flow control. Like the data link layer, the transport layer is responsible for flow control. However, flow control at this layer is performed end-to-end rather than across a single link. Error control. Like the data link layer, the transport layer is responsible for error control. However, error control at this layer is performed process to process rather than across a single link. The sending transport layer makes sure that the entire message arrives at the receiving transport layer without error, damage loss, or duplication. Error correction is usually achieved through retransmission. Process to process delivery by the transport layer.